Hey guys, so I look like a mess right now. It's because I'm in my bed. I'm on my regular bed because I'm camping. This is camping day 2. And I'm pretty sure this is maybe the last day. We should be leaving today, maybe. Not sure about that. So let's get ready. And I don't know what we're gonna be doing today. I know we're gonna go fishing again. I went fishing last night some more and we had hot chocolate. I'm gonna try to get more pictures today so I can post them on YouTube Shorts or make a CapCut about it or something. Yeah. So I woke up not too long ago. And I was just laying here watching TikToks and YouTube and stuff. So yeah. And now I'm ready because I'm actually awake, but I look awful. So let's go ahead and get ready. By the way, you will hear noises in the background because my parents, first of all, and then second, the TV is on. So yeah. Okay. I closed the door. Yeah, let's do it how we did it yesterday. Ew. Guys, there's a stink bug in the sink. What the heck? No. I'm scared. Not actually. I'm just a baby. Okay. I don't know if I should do... I'm gonna do my hair first. My hair feels awful. Guys, my hair isn't that bad like it was yesterday. That's a good thing. No, let's get it smelling good in here. Let's spray some of this. Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise. It's perfume, but still. My room spray's at home. We need to get one to put in here anyways. So, guys, I'm scared about that stink bug. Okay. Detangler spray. I don't know which brush to use. Let's use this one. It gets tangles more out. And then I can use the other one after this one. And I think I'll let you guys stay with me to make breakfast too, because yesterday I didn't, but today I will. Maybe. Unless I change my mind, but for now I'm saying yes. But just y'all are gonna have to ignore the background sounds because my grandparents and the TV is on, just like how you are now. But it's probably gonna be louder because they're in the living room and the kitchen is right next to the living room. So yeah, I literally love our camper though. It is pretty big, big enough for someone to live in. Do you guys hear the geese? I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I can. They're geese. Going crazy. They go crazy every part of the day. What in the world? I hear children screaming. Doesn't surprise me. This campground is my least favorite campground because it is filled with people. And kids. There's a whole big family here that was having a family reunion or something. And it's crazy, busy around our campsite. And of course it's around our campsite. Actually, it's not around, it's right next to our campsite. My favorite campsite is Whispering River. That's my favorite. I wish I lived there, but I don't. It's pretty far away from us. I cannot wait. It's almost that time for Christmas. I keep on hearing these weird noises. Because these kids everywhere. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, our hair's looking pretty good today, honestly. Alright, I'm gonna change my clothes. Oh no. So I'm gonna change and then we can do our skincare. Okay. Period. Now we're going to get perfume. I'm gonna go get it. It's literally just in here, so I'm not gonna pause the video. Surprisingly, I didn't bring all my Sol de Janeiros. I only got 2. It's really good. So I bought 40 and 40. What a coincidence. The 40s. Is there a 41? I should make a 6, 7. We're gonna do 40. I am obsessed with 40 though. I love it so much. Don't forget that Sol de Janeiro is for your hair, guys. So sometimes when I spray it on my hair, I'll like brush it because then it'll get the scent like everywhere. Or you could do it on your brush and then brush your hair with your brush. Guys, that stink bug is not moved. Has not moved. Okay, I'm gonna put you over here. And I'm gonna get my skincare. Got it. Oh my gosh, I was about to put it in the sink with the stink bug. If I squish it, it's gonna stink. What if I take like a cup and go like that and then try to scoop it? Oh, I just trapped it. Wait, how am I gonna do this? Oh my gosh, I saw its leg. Wait. How do I do this without killing it? It lost a leg. It lost a leg. Okay, it's not dead. It's not dead though. It's not dead, so it's not gonna stink. I moved it to where I can put my skincare in the sink. I'm gonna do that trend. Okay. I'm getting ready to go fishing. Guys, I should pick up. Okay, sorry. Bioma Milky Toner. Basically, same stuff I had yesterday. I might not do everything though, cause just like morning. So, and I put way too much. Oh my gosh, I forgot my headband. I'm gonna use these 2 fingers. Look how my skin is glowing. Like even without lighting, it's so glowy. Look at that. Like there's not even good lighting in here, and you can see that I'm glowing. Okay, what? Why are they singing that? Is there a basketball game or something? she's not a good singer. She ain't here. Got too much on my hands. Okay. Now we'll do some e.l.f. serum. It's the triple bounce serum. Not me actually singing it. Bruh, I went out, like I opened my door to see who was making those noises, and there was a little kid on the playground. Cause I swear, like, even at night it is so noisy because these little kids, like there's a playground right over there. Like our camera's like facing this way, so there's a playground like right over here. And it's like right in front of our camper, so yay, because there's all the kids from the family reunion. The family reunion place is on this side. Like over there. Like it's right there. And also over here. We're just crowded by people and I hate it. Okay. By the way, I use my Ayurveda skin. Aloe, sage, and orange blossom. Literally no highlighter on, just skincare, and my skin is glowing. I look like I'm wet. Like there's water on my face. Literally not. Do I want to do a lip balm or a lippy? We're going to do a lippy. We're going to do Summer Fridays lippy. Dream lip balm lippy. Oh, I forgot to get my e.l.f. one out of my bag. I was going to bring my melting one from e.l.f. Okay, literally look at my skin. How am I glowing so much? Like, and I have no highlighter on. It's like fresh glow. Crazy. Okay, the tan on my lips is crazy with that Dream Lip Oil. So, okay, and then we're gonna go over my hair because when I take my headband off, it gets frizzy up here. So, try to brush it out. Whoa. Okay, now we can go make breakfast. And if parents are like talking to me or something, if they say something to me, or like if they're just talking in general or the TV, whatever, please just ignore it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the kitchen so I can make breakfast. What do I want for breakfast? I don't know. I might do that. I'm gonna open the blinds. We need light. There we go. There's black blinds. And these blinds. Ew, another stink bug. In Kentucky, there's a lot of stink bugs, guys. Okay. I think I'm gonna use. Oh my gosh, a kid outside is screaming bloody murder. I'm gonna use this to make my favorite camping trip sandwich. It's bread, and then turkey, and then cheese. And we're gonna need chocolate milk because that's my morning drink, other than coffee. Okay, we have our Tennessee cup. I had to wash it because I had this in chocolate milk last night. So, oh no. I'm gonna pour our chocolate milk in. Yummy. Now we need cheese and turkey, so that's what I'm getting. Okay. That aside, we have our turkey and our cheese. And then our bread is over here. Bread. Go ahead and take a sip. That's good. Okay, I'm plugging it in. Alright, probably should get this off first. And I'm gonna plug it in, and then I'll turn it on once I have everything on it. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything on it. And now I'm gonna have my, I'm gonna get a plate out. It's up here. Once I have my plate out, I'm gonna put my stuff on it, so then it'll be ready to go ahead and put the stuff on the sandwich. So I'm gonna put this right here, and then we're gonna unpackage these and put them on my plate. Whoa. That's a good place for my camera. Okay, is that good? Ish. It'll work. Alright, I'm gonna unwrap our cheese. And then I'll just like put it on the plate. And then on the turkey, I usually do 2 pieces. Just lay it down. So then they're all ready to go. And I don't burn my bread. You know? And our trash. Okay, now we're all ready. Now I'm going to turn it on. We're going to turn it on to probably 200 or in between 200. So right here. So now it's just going to warm up. We'll drink our chocolate milk while waiting. Now we're going to put our cheese so it can melt on there. Including our ham. Turkey, not ham, turkey. And take this. Put it on. I'm going to try to flip it, but sometimes when I flip it, it falls. So you gotta be careful. It's kind of going off on the sides. It's okay. It is almost done. just a little bit longer. Alright, it is all done. Now we're gonna put it on our plate. Look how good that looks. Yes, this is my breakfast. Bill, good morning. Hey, don't like that. Good morning. You want an animal cracker? Guys, she loves animal crackers. Bill, here you go. Good girl, Bill. I love my baby. She's so cute. Okay. Guys, this candle smells so good. It's apple pumpkin. We lit it last night and it smells even better now. Okay. I'm going to take my crust off because I don't like the crust. I'm going to also like scoop my ham in the middle of my sandwich because it's like falling off on the sides. I'm eating the turkey around it. The turkey is really good. Okay, now for the whole thing.
So, Jen, what's your name? I'm starving. Hi. Come on, man. It's okay. Alright.
10 out of 10. You try. I make this almost every morning I go camping. Also really fun to make. Last time I was camping, I did my skincare like right here. If y'all seen that video. Car just like drove by. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Oh, yeah. She's my baby. No, no. We're polite. We're polite. She's trying to steal my food.
You can't do that. This was my decision. The consequences. This isn't my fault.
Just lay your tail. Just better lay down for a little.
I'm not surprised with this one. You've made your decisions.
It is Rodeo Saturday here in Waller County, and I gotta tell you, I just feel super happy.
Us.
But I have to admit, my heart belongs to the Bulls. So grab your popcorn, folks, because coming up are the Bull Riders for the night.
At 87%. But this guy, it makes it look easy.
Sorry. She stole my sandwich. Alright, we're finished. I finished my chocolate milk. So yeah. Good girl, yeah. Good girl, Blue. Yes, we can go outside. I know. Let's go. Good girl. As y'all can tell, y'all already know what we're doing. We're gonna go take a walk. Maybe near like the pond. She tries to go before me. Literally like pulls me. Blue, it's okay if she sees another dog. It's okay. So a lot of people just stopped by and said hi to her. Because she's the cutest dog, so sorry. She has the zoomies right now, so I'm in trouble. Look at my dog. Oh, so now she doesn't. See, look at this. Okay. Oh, potty, right. Okay, no, the road is right there. Ma'am. Hold on, let me fix you. Aw, it's okay. All right, we're gonna cross the road. So you have to stay close. And run. Not on their parking spots. Blue, no. Come on. All right, we're going down to the lake. Pretty view down here. She keeps on going on people's property. This dog. What in the world? Crazy dog. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to end the video. But, yeah, this is how my morning is right now. We're probably going to go fishing when I get back. So, yeah. And it's a pretty view on the lake. So, before I end the video, I'm going to show you guys. Really pretty view. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye, guys. Come back for more.